Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of 1 plus sin x over sin x multiplied with 1 plus cosine x dx. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to separate them into sin x and number 1. Now we have two integrals in here. We need to calculate this one first. Sin x simplify with sin x, you got about 1 over 1 plus cosine x. We have the formula. Cosine x equal to 2 cosine x over 2 to the power of 2 minus 1. So we will apply this formula and you got about 2 cosine x over 2 to the power of 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1, you simplify. We put 1 over 2 outside. And now we can get the final result. The integral of 1 over cosine x over 2 to the power of 2 dx is about 1 over 2 multiplied with 2 times x over 2. This one we simplify. Now we move for this one. We multiply both sides on numerator and denominator with sin x. We have the formula sin x squared plus cosine x squared equals to number 1. So sin x squared equals to 1 minus cosine x squared. Now we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about t equals to cosine x dt equal to negative sin x dx. Sin x dx, which we don't have the negative, so we put negative next to dt. Now we can do about partial fraction again. So we have 1 minus t squared. So we put about t squared and we have the negative. Or we change to t only. So we have 1 and 1, so we put 1 over 2 in here. Now let's simplify. t plus 1 divided to 1 plus t, and 1 minus t divided 1 minus t squared. So you will got about two fractions in here. Because 1 minus t squared is about 1 minus t multiplied 1 plus t. That's why we cancel 1 minus t in here. And this is about 1 minus t squared. About this one, we do the same thing. We have 1 and 1, so we got about 1 over 2. So 1 divide 1 minus t divide 1 minus t, you got about 1 plus t. So now we can get the final result. The integral of 1 over 1 plus t squared, you will got about negative 1 over 1 plus t. The integral for this one, you will use about logarithm base e of absolute value of 1 plus t. Because we have the negative, so we have the negative. We have negative, we multiply with negative, sorry about that. We have negative and negative, so you got about positive. Now we convert t back to s, and that's about this one. After we find this one, we can combine result with this one. So that's about I equal to 10. Later that we put about this one. This is the final result. That's the end. Thank you for watching.